question from Wendy. Do you think one's level of curiosity is a function of your personality traits like openness? Is it possible to cultivate more curiosity if it is due to a genetically determined personality trait? I think somewhere in the middle. I think some people are by nature more curious than others, but I am proceeding on the faith that doing things like giving people these prompts and exercises and, in a sense, gamifying curiosity, making it a fun task rather than, will, like other things, if you do it a little bit, you'll taste the rewards and find the fun in it, and it'll become a habit of mind. And creating a habit of mind is what I'm kind of out for in this. So clearly there are some people who are just by nature, it's almost like, it's like anything that, everyone can, there are clearly genetic differences in who's a good runner and who's going to win the Olympics. Like, you can't do that, but you could become a better runner by practicing a little bit and maybe even figuring out that you enjoy the process of improving. So somewhere in the middle, but I have a heavy bias toward the idea that if you work at it, I mean, I'll say one last thing about it is I think that we all start out very curious. We all were children. And I think as a child, you're curious by nature, and that gets sort of trimmed away over time. And what I'm trying to do with these exercises is reawaken that a little bit. So I think we've all got that core there. And I think it can be rebuilt.